Using the non-phased budgets integrator, we're going to create a new budget. You must enter a project number, a budget name, and a plan type in order to create a budget. Let's use a data form to enter the details for the budget version. You can leave the planning amounts blank, except when you want to use a financial plan type that allows the creation of cost and revenue versions separately, in which case you must select either cost or revenue from the planning amounts. You can leave the planning resource breakdown structure blank for the default planning RBS assigned to the project to be used to build the resource list. For this example, we're going to just let the default planning resource be used for this budget. Plan version number will be generated by Oracle. For the status, you can leave it blank to have a default status of current working assigned. However, you need to enter a budget name. We have provided an option for you to baseline the budget once it is successfully created. If you want to do this, change the baseline option to yes. What this will do is create a current working version and then have it baselined, and then Oracle will create a new current version. In order for the baseline to work successfully, all sections on the sheet must be uploaded successfully. You can enter multiple planning resources for a budget. What I've done is I've downloaded a project and tasks using the Financial Projects Integrator in a different sheet. And I'm going to copy the tasks and add the resources against them. You can either enter the resource name manually, or you can use the data form to select the resource name from a list. The resource name list is derived from the planning resource breakdown structure assigned to the project. You can also change the planning resource breakdown structure and select your own RVS if you want to. For the rest of the tasks, I'm just going to copy and paste from a different list. Now let's create plan lines against the planning resources. If multi-currency is enabled in the Oracle system, then you can enter multiple currency and dollar values against a planning resource. If you are only using one currency for all your plan lines, put the currency code in the default row. Now we can go ahead and enter the amount values into different amount types. Now that we've entered all the sections on the sheet, we can go ahead and upload the budget to Oracle. Note that all the sections on the sheet have been uploaded to Oracle successfully. Plan lines are a child section of planning resources. Therefore, they will never get an accepted status back on the sheet. If the plan resources are successfully uploaded, that means that plan lines will be successfully uploaded as well. So please ignore the validated message because it has been uploaded successfully to Oracle, because the parent section of plan lines, which is planning resources, have been successfully uploaded to Oracle. So this budget is now in Oracle, and we can now download it back to the sheet to see what it looks like. Notice the plan version number has been returned to the sheet, and we have also baselined this budget, which means that when we download this budget on the sheet again, we are expecting to see two separate budget versions. So let's download this budget on our sheet. As expected, we have downloaded version 1 and version 2. And the status for version 1 is current and baseline. What it's done is created a new budget version, and it has also baselined that version. It has also created a new version with the status of current working. If we scroll across to the right, we can see the planning resources have been successfully created, and the plan lines have also been successfully created. Once the budget is downloaded back to the sheet, there are a few things you can do. You can update the start date and end date of the planning resources, and you can also change the amount values for the plan lines. The changes have been successfully uploaded to Oracle. Now, we're only interested in this plan version for now, so we're going to copy this and download it again to see our changes. The changes have been successfully uploaded to Oracle, and the new amounts have been successfully changed in Oracle. So that's how you do an update. If you like to do a delete, we offer the delete functionality at the planning resources level and also at the budget version level. You cannot delete the plan lines because they are a required value for the planning resources. So if you want to delete plan lines, we suggest that you delete the planning resources first and then recreate the planning resources with the new plan lines. So let's delete a few here. And the 3 planning resources have been successfully deleted. Let's download the budget version again onto the sheet to see that those records have been successfully deleted. And yes, 0.7, 0.8, and 0.9 are no longer on the budget version. We can also delete an entire budget by putting in a delete at the budget version level and uploading the delete command. So if we try and download this budget version, we shouldn't get any results back. So the budget version has been successfully deleted. So in this demo, we took you through how to create, update, and delete non-phased budgets using the non-phased budgets integrator.